Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of Mr. Rubik's Cube Master. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your broken Rubik's Cube 4x4. Many people had this problem. You order a Rubik's Cube, you wait like two weeks or something on it, you finally got it and you unbox it and it's broken. Many times it happened myself. I've reassembled my Rubik's Cube like 5 or 6 times. If you let it fall on the ground, it's broken. It happens anytime. So what you want to start with is get to take those four pieces, the green ones, center pieces, and you put them in and let them slide to each side. So okay, once you have that done, you start with this little mark here and just this one has to turn. You start with making a little square that will be the center, so like this and this. So your square, first thing you want to do, then you turn it, but you need to remember green is the bottom. So what you then do is take two pieces, two of those, green, white. If you've noticed, there are little marks in here. You need to put them together. If you place it like this or even this, it won't fit. So together, marks. The green side on the ground, I will turn it to you guys. So the green on the ground and the white before, and you just place it in. What you next want to do is have a corner piece. You want to have one like this: green, white, orange. Green on the bottom, white with white. You just place it in. So your next color will be orange. So again, you want to look for a piece with orange and green. If I found one, okay, I have two pieces. So again, those little marks together, the green ones on the bottom and the orange ones like this. Then again, you want to have a corner piece. So again, green, orange, white, yellow. So you just green on the bottom, orange to orange, and then the white, the yellow. Then you want to have a yellow, green piece. Yellow, green, yellow, green. You want to place them together, green on the bottom and yellow in. Okay, again a green piece, a corner piece. Green, yellow, red is this one. Green on the bottom, yellow to yellow, and red is our new color. So what you want to do now is get a green, red, again, corners together, green on the bottom, red to yourself, or in my case to you guys so you can see it. Okay, so like this, and again a corner piece, red, white, and green at the bottom. So what you want to do next from each side is take two of those square piece, center pieces like this, and you want to do like this. Okay, you want to place on each side two of those. So next up, the orange ones. Take two oranges and you let them slide, and you let them slide. Next stop, yellow, 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 and yellow. Oh. And then last but not least, the red one. Okay, next you wanna fill those in. This you need to be very careful with, that you don't get the wrong piece in the wrong spot. So what you want to do is a red, red white, a piece red white. But if you have noticed, there are two pieces red white. This one has the red here and the white here. So the red must be here and the white must be here. This one fits because when you hold it like this, red white, the top is flat. When you do it with this red white, it's not flat. So when you want to do it, it just goes a little something like this, and you don't want that. So you want to have this, the round one, on your right side. That we use later. So this one fits. The other one we are using in the third layer. Oh. Next one, white orange. Again, wrong, left, and this one. Oh, this one fits. Orange yellow. Again, wrong. And this is the right one. And then the last one, yellow red. Wrong one. And the right one. So at the end of part 1, we have done 2 layers. If this goes too fast for you, let me know. I can make a detailed video too. And of course, I hope you're going to watch part 2. So this was it for part 1. Bye.